206 Shoebuckle Court, Stephen City, Virginia. Walk in to this quaint neighborhood home close to schools and shopping. Living room, open floor plan, great dining room for entertaining. Beautifully appointed. Family room, light filled with a gas fireplace. The kitchen is open to the family room. Stainless steel appliances, table space, an island, very clean. Hardwood floors and crown molding. Upstairs, you'll find one of 4 bedrooms. So much light. Another bedroom. Perfect for an office. The master bedroom. Large, with walk-in closets and a full master bathroom. Soaking tub, dual vanities. Separate shower. Wonderful neutral colors. This home is wonderful for entertaining because go down to the basement, it's completely finished. Large rec room area. With room for a media. Exercise. The backyard is so adorable with beautiful landscaping and a 2-car garage. A patio, great for barbecues. Offered at $289,900 by the Jan and Dan team at RE/MAX Roots.